I'm Nerea, and today I'm going to explain you how to prevent COVID-19 washing your hands. Follow the next instructions. First, wet your hands with water. Then put enough swab on the palm of your hands to cover also all a surface of your hands. Next, wrap your palms together. Then wrap the palm of the right hand against the back of the left hand, intercalating the fingers and vice versa. Wrap your palms together, fingers unlocked. Wrap the back of the palm of the opposite hand, holding your fingers. Wrap the left thumb on a rotational motion, catching in with the palm of the right hand and vice versa. Wrap the tips of the fingers of the right hand against the palm of the left hand, making a rotational movement and vice versa. Rinse your hands with water. Dry them with a disposable towel or toilet paper. Use the towel or toilet paper to turn off the tap. And now your hands are safe and clean. This is all. Thank you for listening.